The 1985D Lincoln Memorial Cent is common and available in all grades. Most of these coins face up very well and have a pleasing appearance. A large mint mark was used this year to represent the Denver Mint. It is common to see a coin with a sharp strike. There was an error in 1985 that occurred because of a zinc coating bath being contaminated. Because of that, the 1985D had some coins that were copper-plated with 90% copper, rather than the normal 100% copper. The text on the Lincoln 1 cent coin reads as follows: obverse, Liberty. Date, In God We Trust, D. Denver. Vertical bar reverse, United States of America, e pluribus unum, 1 cent. Most Lincoln Memorial 1 cent coins are easily found as circulation coinage. If you are looking to purchase one of these coins, they can typically be found with little difficulty. As always, look for the high-grade coins, and if available, try to get a coin that is already certified. Our coin experts are interested in making offers on any coin that is a high mint state grade, such as Miss 67 and higher, or any coin that has a double die variety, or other mint error. If you have one of these coins, please contact us to have the coin appraised. We are rare coin experts and can make you an offer for what your coin is worth. For circulated coins in low grades, you can easily buy or sell a Lincoln penny by visiting your local coin dealer. If you have any more questions about 1 cent coins, please contact our experts. Category: Lincoln Cents, Memorial Reverse, 1959 2008, Mint, Denver. Obverse Designer, Victor D. Brenner. Reverse Designer, Frank Gasparro. Composition: copper-plated zinc. Weight 25 g. Diameter 19 mm. Edge: the Gray Sheet Catalog, XID, of the Lincoln Cents Memorial Reverse series of small cents in the U.S. coins contains 6 distinct entries, with CPG values between 20 cents and $1,220. Lincoln Memorial Cents were struck from 1959 through 2008 and reign as one of the world's most widely recognizable coins. While the Lincoln Memorial Cent is technically an obsolete series, billions are still in circulation. Save for any changes to United States laws against the melting of copper coins, these coins are likely to remain common for decades to come. The Lincoln Memorial Cent contains the original 1909 vintage Lincoln obverse design by Victor David Brenner, and includes a reverse design by Frank Gasparro. The Lincoln Cent redesign, replacing the original wheat reverse motif, that premiered with the series in 1909, was launched to commemorate Abraham Lincoln's 150th anniversary of birth. While largely common, Lincoln Memorial Cents do offer collectors a few neat varieties, and a handful of real rarities. Chief among the error varieties are the 1969S, 1972, 1983, 1984, and 1995 double dies, with the 1969S double die pulling high 5 and low 6-figure prices on the scarce occasions when the rarity turns up in auction. Also important to recognize are the 1960 and 1960D large and small date varieties, and the 1970S small date cents. In 1982, the composition of the Lincoln Cent changed from 95% copper and 5% zinc to copper-plated zinc. Making matters all the more complicated for numismatists are the large and small date varieties of 1982, shared across both compositional profiles. At least a few significant transitional errors were born of this milestone compositional changeup, with the most valuable being the 1982D bronze small date Lincoln Cent, the discovery specimen of which sold for $18,800 in 2017. To date, similar though less valuable off-metal transitional errors are known for the 1983D and, more oddly, the 1989D Lincoln Cent.